Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com on Thursday, October 3rd, and I want to do this is going to be a pretty quick video about Cree, essentially a price alert that was triggered for me today and that will soon be seen by all members. Members, you're going to see a video today describing some really cool things that we've done to make Stock Market Mentor better. A lot better and a lot more useful, and a lot less time and a lot less money, so it's all good. If you are not a member, don't worry about it. You'll hear about this stuff. We're not promoting it now. We're just letting our members have it starting, I think, tomorrow as kind of a beta test. I think you're going to dig it, but we'll let you know when it's out, when it's ready to go. You'll start seeing me promote it more than I am now. I know I'm talking about it. I want to get you to join, but I'm not going to pound the table. Let's look at Cree. Okay, I just switched to the 5-minute, but I'm getting ahead of myself. The other day I mentioned, and this was just yesterday, I said this isn't the time to buy the stock because the stock went up so much that it's kind of due for a rest here. Closing outside the upper Bollinger Band is a good sign. It's a bullish sign, but still, you know, when there's no follow through on the stock, you got to be a little careful. So my suggestion was you look at the intraday high here, which was $70.09. So you set your price alert, I'm pretty sure I said at $70. So at least you get a little bit of a heads up. You want to know when the stock is coming up, if it's coming up, to test that high. Because what it will tell you is if the stock moves above $70.09, this stock is going higher. Because after this kind of move, the only thing that's going to push this stock higher is a bunch of aggressive buying that absolutely outweighs the profit taking that's, you know, destined to occur when a stock goes from 58, 59 bucks up to 70 bucks in a matter of 2 days. So when this stock clears $70.09, it is a buy signal. So you have to know this on the daily chart. You want to know this on the daily chart. You want to have that written down. And this is why. Because this is your analysis. If the stock goes up above $70.09, then the bulls are definitely in charge, and I'm in. The stock closes up $3 above that level, so you made what? A little under 5% for your trouble during the day. Great. So what happened intraday? Okay, $70.09. Where is that? Right there. So in the first little bit, like the first few minutes, let's just take it down to a 1-minute chart and really zoom out here. Okay, so it didn't take this stock long at all to get above $70.09 right here during the first couple minutes of the day. So this is when you buy. You buy the stock, and then what do? Stay here, watch the stock, and then get shaken out because the stock moved below 70 bucks, clear down, oh my gosh, down to 69.66. No, this is the 2 time frame approach that I talk about. It's a decision time frame and it's an action time frame. Your decision time frame is actually here on the daily chart. You say when the stock gets up above here, then I'm in. That's your decision time frame. Now in the action time frame, you're looking at the market today, you're maybe using the 1-minute or the 5-minute chart or whatever. Either way, you take action when the stock hits your threshold. When it hits your point, you're in. Then what do you do immediately? Immediately you get out of there. This is your action time frame. You don't want to be taking any more action. You want to be sitting on it. Then you can go back to the daily chart if you want. If you do this, you go back out, you are not going to get shaken out by this pullback here. Whereas if you're focusing on this here, you're saying like, oh my gosh, lower highs and lower lows. Look at the S&P 500. That's going down too. All the wheels are coming off the wagon. I got to get out of here. And you literally sell. Remember, you're selling essentially at like 50 cents below where you bought a $70 stock if you stay in this time frame. So don't do that. You take your action based on the decision that you made, then get back out in the decision time frame. You'd still wind up being long this stock. So hopefully you'll use this. I don't want you to be afraid to buy high, as long as you know why you're buying high. Okay, if the stock's working in your favor, then you just work the stock, baby. Just let it go. Okay, members, over to the strategy session, and then we're sending you, I think Gary's putting it in a separate email to you as far as a video that I did. It's about 15 minutes long explaining all these new changes. They're really cool.